In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your website on Hostgator. Whether you want to update text, change images, or adjust the layout, the process is simple once you know where to look. My goal is to guide you step by step so you can confidently make changes without feeling overwhelmed or confused during the process. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to hostgator.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Enter your credentials to access your Hostgator account. If you often forget your details, using a password manager can make logging in much easier in the future and help you stay organized while managing multiple sites. After signing in, you will be taken to your main Hostgator dashboard. This is the central place where you manage your hosting, emails, domains, and websites. From here, look for the section labeled Hosting or My Account. Clicking on it will reveal more options related to your hosted sites so you can easily navigate to the tools you need. Next, click on the website site tab. This section gives you a clear overview of every website connected to your Hostgator plan. Take a moment to locate the site you want to edit. If you manage multiple websites, naming them clearly helps you find the right one quickly and stay efficient while working on updates. Once you find your website, click on the Edit Site option. This opens your site editing dashboard. This is where you can customize pages, change layouts, upload images, update text, and make any adjustments you need. Before publishing your changes, always use the Preview option. Previewing allows you to see how everything looks on the live layout so you can fix any mistakes before they go public. If your website is built with WordPress, you may have the Hostgator WordPress plugin installed. This tool gives you quick access to settings, updates, and editing features without needing to dig through the full WordPress menu. Simply click the Hostgator WordPress plugin section to access its interface. From there, you can update content, adjust themes, manage plugins, and make real-time edits with ease. Once you have made your changes and double-checked everything, save and publish your updates. Keeping your website fresh with new content or layout improvements helps maintain a professional online presence and creates a better viewing experience for your visitors. Small updates made regularly can make your site feel more active and trustworthy. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you edit your site more confidently, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Your support truly motivates me to keep creating simple and clear step-by-step guides. I will see you in the next video.